Hey guys, welcome to this video. So we are done with the search engine optimization and the HTML part. Now let's just make this website look better. This doesn't look good, right? So CSS is not what is made for this section. So I will be using Bootstrap. You can go to Bootstrap and then download section. From there, just grab on this first link. Okay, this link. This will allow us to use the Bootstrap classes. Copy that, come back here, and in the head, after all the meta tags that we have, place this. Great. So now we can use Bootstrap. So how to do that? First of all, let's just create a div, okay, and provide a class. So class means you have some code in your CSS which you put inside a block and you name that block. Okay, so let's say I name that block as container. Now I can put that name here, okay, referring to as a class, and I can access all those CSS properties. So let's just cut all this HTML part and put it inside this div. Save it, go back to the website. Here we are. Amazing, right? Now the next part is the text. The text should be centered, right? So for that, you can simply type text center and it is done. So now the website already looks good, and best thing is it is responsive, right? You don't have to code for it being responsive. Responsive means it looks good on all mobile devices, on all sort of devices. So now let's just modify the form. Okay, the form doesn't look too good. So here, let's start by converting these p tags into div. Okay, and then let's add classes. So the class for this is form group. Okay, form group contains a input field and a label. Okay, similarly I want to add here also form group. Great. Now the labels, I want to put these labels before the input field. Okay, I think it will look better there. So let's save it, go back. That is how it is looking right now. One more class that we can add to the input field. Okay, oops, class, and the name of the class is form control. Similarly, we can add it here also. Class is equals to form control. Save it. Whoops. N. Great. So if I open this website now, it looks pretty much better than what it was looking previously, right? It looks good. So this is the power of Bootstrap. Now let's just add a button, okay, so the user can actually send it. Okay, and let's add it in the form, but change the type. So button type is just simple button, and the class. So the class, first class we have to add btn, then btn outline, and then what type of color. So for a blue color it is called primary, and we want a large button. Okay, btn dash large init hi me. Let's check if it is working, and yep, we get the button. There are different colors for this also. If you want a red button, just type danger, then you will get a red button. If you want a green one, type success. You can check out the Bootstrap website for this. They have a very good documentation. I will go with primary. Okay, looks good. So this is your web page, and this is super SEO friendly. The last thing that we have to do is to change this globe here. I want to modify this to have the favicon icon that we want to put. Meet you in the next video.